What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Got another video today working with the tractor, this time trying to deal with all this mess behind me. So what I'm looking at doing here is, you see that flag right there? That is where the power company is setting our power pole, and I want to deal with some of these tree stumps here, which are pretty big, and there is tons of them from what was cleared on the property here. So I want to try to move these out of the way because these are the main blockage of just getting a little bit more space. I just want to make sure they have plenty of room to get back there and work on it. So we're going to grab the tractor and try to move those, and then just get those moved over to another part, because we're going to have to move all the other stumps in there eventually, but I just want to get this thing cleared out first. So let's jump on the tractor and see if we can do it. So one thing that's awesome about this tractor is that although the seat squeaks, it starts immediately. No hesitation at all in it. Starts right up. So I want to go ahead and start with this big guy right here, and this will tell me a lot about, you know, how well we're going to be able to deal with these, because it does have pretty a large root system here, and it does have this stump laying on it a little bit. So we'll get this hook on it and see if we can pick it up and move it a little bit, and just kind of see how it goes. So as you saw, I'm not able to get the stump to pick straight up, and I'm not able to keep enough traction in order to just pull it straight out. So I know, there's a ton of dirt and stuff on here, and it doesn't look like we're being held down by this other stump or anything. So I think I may just try to grab it down low with that and see if I can get it wrapped around some of the roots and pull it out that way. Well, this is all we got for today. Moved it about 15 feet. So obviously not ideal. And this is probably, though, one of the biggest stumps most likely that we have on the property to move. So as you can see, the diameter of the tree itself is a lot smaller on some of these other ones. So this one is pretty big as far as just the diameter of the tree itself. And then, you know, of course, this stump probably has 500 pounds of dirt still on the bottom of it. So we're able to drag it a little bit, you know, of course, just with the pile and stuff still in the way. Couldn't really get it around the corner, but you know, on flat ground we are able to flat drag it, which that's good. So we'll get it done, you know, basically as much as we can. But once I can get this out of the way, just out of the path, then I'm pretty sure we can get those other ones, no problem. But you know, a little bit of a failure today, I guess. Not really able to move it like we wanted to, but you know, it is what it is. New piece of equipment, you know, learning the limitations of it, what we can and can't do with it. So a little bit of a failure today, but we'll take it as a learning lesson and just still figuring it out as I go. So it's going to be it for this one. We don't win every time, but thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.